Find the first 6 terms and the 300th term of the arithmetic sequence 13, 6, etc. We know that with arithmetic sequences, to get from one term to the next, we're either increasing or decreasing by the same amount. Here, to get from the first term to the second, to get from 13 to 6, we need to subtract 7. So to get from each term to the next, we need to subtract 7. So we start off with 13 and then 6. When we subtract 7, we're left with -1. When we subtract 7 again, we get -8. When we subtract 7 again, -15, and again, -22, etc. So we can simply subtract 7 each time to get the first several terms. However, for the 300th term, we don't want to have to deal with that. So in this case, we use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, which says that a sub n is equal to a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times d, which is the common difference. Now, in this case, we have the first term being 13, and then plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Now remember, the common difference is the second term minus the first, or any term minus the term that came before it. So in this case, 6 minus 13 is -7. So the common difference here is -7. We can either leave the formula just like this, or we can distribute the -7 into each of these terms and then combine like terms. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to leave it like this to figure out what the 300th term is. So the 300th term, a sub 300, is equal to 13 plus 300 minus 1 times -7. Now, 300 minus 1 is going to be 299 times -7, and 299 times -7 is -2093. And when we add these together, we get -2080. So the first 6 terms are 13, 6, -1, -8, -15, and -22. And the 300th term is -2080.